Hello, my name is Kanika Khanna and I'm a 22-year-old. I was born and brought up in New Delhi, the capital city of India. I'm a Bachelor of Life Sciences from the University of Delhi. A few words that describe me as a person are passionate, perseverant and determined. I'm a complete people's person and I love the people who are a part of my life. Some values that I've always lived by my entire life are respecting your elders and your leaders, caring for the people around you, and always sticking by your morals and ethics. I was recruited in ISEC in February 2011 in ISEC in Delhi University in development sector, which is now known as GCDP ICS. Post that, in May 2011, I became a team leader. Here, I was completely thrown outside my comfort zone. We were aiming to create an impact on 800 kids. In 2012, I became a VP in GCDP ICS in the same LC. Here, my biggest key achievement was bringing back a diminishing portfolio, building a brand, and coming up to be the number one LC in this portfolio globally. What I learned here was that persistence, perseverance, and dedication are the key to success. I had also applied for LCT applicants for ISEC in Delhi University. I did not get the position, but still that did not deter me from taking on my journey forward. I took my vision forward and applied for the NST role of ISEC in India. I was a part of 2 NSTs for IGCDP Evolution and as a lead manager. As an NST for Evolution in IGCDP, I learned that it's very important for this portfolio in India to constantly evolve to cater to the needs and demands of the reality. Through the lead program, I really learned that every single discussion that we have at an SC level can boil down to creating the kind of leaders that we would have in the country. My current ISEC experience is being the ISEC India Director IGCDP. I learned 2 things. How important it is to change gears, to revamp a portfolio. How can we keep on growing at the same pace, at the same time revamp the portfolio so that we are building to last. The second thing was about sustaining and ensuring that even if we are slowing down, we are able to go fast but in a more holistic manner. The thirst for learning and developing people around me just seems to be growing on and keeps me driven in this organization. The belief in this organization, its purpose and the people is what is propelling me to take up another challenging role in ISEC. At the same time, the vision to engage and develop every young person in the world is something that makes me marvel at the kind of learning that this role might have to offer. At the same time, that I believe that I have the right set of competencies and the mindset backed by my experience to ensure that I contribute to the team and to the organization at an international level. It can add a lot of value to my growth and my personal development. I'm applying for the position of AIVP Operations in IDC. I believe that this program develops leaders. IGCDP develops entrepreneurs not just within the EPs who come down on exchange, but also in the members who are working towards delivering such life-changing experiences. Through my term as an AIVP operations in this program, I want to ensure that I support entities and backed by my experience and understanding of the program, not just internally but also about externally how we can align it to the world, I want to support the entities towards delivering more of such experiences. At the same time, I also want to start my own CSR solutions firm in 2017 or 2018. So this role would give me a much more holistic understanding of how social impact business works on a global level. So what needs to drastically evolve in GCDP to ensure that we are meeting our 2015 goals? As we know right now that we are growing at a pace faster than never before, and it's very crucial for not just the top entities but for every entity to take responsibility to ensure that we are doing things the right way and growing at the same time, because it can only happen when the entire network collaborates and ensures that we make things happen. So let's take a look at GCDP right now. Our goals are increasing. Our goal for 2015 is 38,000 exchanges, but the reality is that our NPS is 41. 6 out of 10 EVs are only happy with the kind of experiences that we are providing. The JD clarity, logistics and ISEC support are still the problems that exist. we are not able to fight against even the most basic problems. Now let's take a look at some external organizations. A SIDE, which is present in about 50 countries. A Rotaract, which is present in more than 200 countries. These two organizations provide something very similar as ISEC. They provide a leadership platform and they provide exchange experiences or exchange internships to create a social impact. Then what are we doing that we have that competitive edge over these kind of emerging external organizations and ensure that we are attracting more people and delivering many more experiences? The answer is simple. What is needed is nothing but just a process improvement. Our process needs to evolve. It does not mean that we need to bring back a lot of new things. We just need to keep doing the things that we are doing right now, but doing them in the right way. And few key pointers here that we need to focus on are capacity building. We have a lot of EPs, but most of our EPs go unmatched because of improper demand and supply. A lot of EPs are not able to find the right issues and then they create a bad word of mouth for us. Volume management. A lot of entities are doing high scale exchange. What are we doing to ensure that EPs are prepared well? What are we doing to make sure that co-delivery is happening well? Focus on HR and education. Most of our members on the ground level still do not understand the way or the how of the program. Membership productivity. Once they know what they are doing and what is the purpose of the program, that will definitely lead to a better productivity and retention. More than all these things, the biggest thing that needs to evolve and that can be the game changer for us is the business model implementation. If this is happening in the program, our projects are sustainable, we are creating much more impact, and that's how we are developing leadership.